Infineon Technologies kicked Nokia out of the most popular European index fund, STOXX50, and I have two news about Nokia stock. One good, one bad. But before we start, everybody knows where we'll click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, guys, please. I'm working hard, I'm doing research, and I keep you posted, so do me a favor and click that like. Alright, first of all, let's talk about Nokia news. Two main news. Nokia got kicked out by Infineon Technologies from one of the most popular European index fund, STOXX50. And this is a really bad news, but one of the reasons why we got kicked out is, yep, you're right, Reddit and a GameStop short squeeze. The point is, the index fund is supposed to be a safer place to invest, and with volatility that GameStop and Reddit added to the market, and Nokia in particular, it's not a good sign for index funds. So this is why we replaced with Infineon Technologies, because Infineon Technology has grown more than 80% in 2020 and it gained around 15% in 2021. And market capitalization is a little bit bigger than Nokia's, is around $50 billion, which is, I think, it's a good choice for the most popular European index fund. Now let's talk about good news. The good news are that France actually joined banning Huawei, and they're one of the biggest companies in the 5G and 6G niche, and United States banned Huawei, and a lot of countries in the European Union actually banning Huawei as well. And guess what? When somebody's banning one of the biggest companies, now the operator is gonna have to choose from Nokia and Ericsson. Yes, some of them are choosing Ericsson, unfortunately, but some of them are choosing Nokia. And just a bonus here, that Nokia is actually at $4, and I'm pretty sure that $4 is our new bottom level for Nokia, even with a huge market correction. Nokia doesn't really dip that much in comparison with other companies, so $4 is our new bottom. And like I said, 2021 will be a transitional year for Nokia, and hopefully it will be a year to just rethink Nokia's future, and hopefully Nokia as a company will do much better than in 2020. Now let's talk about Infineon Technologies. Well, Infineon Technologies is one of the big semiconductors company who produces semiconductors for diversified huge amount of sectors, from automotive to laptops, phones, and other. As we all know, NIO just said that semiconductor shortage will hit their market and will hit their production. And I will tell you one thing, it's everywhere in the world. Just look at any niche. If somebody needs semiconductors, the huge shortage is everywhere. Even Apple said that they can't grow as fast as they want because of a semiconductor shortage. And the situation in Texas with snow and electricity, we all know it was such a mess. It didn't help because there are big companies in Texas, semiconductor companies. So it just added up to semiconductor problem. Now let's talk about Infineon Technology. Infineon Technology, it's one of the biggest semiconductor companies in Germany. They're based in Germany, it's a European company. And in April 2020, they bought another big semiconductor company, Cypress, for almost $9 billion. The reason why we have a shortage in semiconductors niche because of a corona. Everybody is sitting home and everybody is buying laptops, PCs, phones, PlayStations, cars. It's so crazy. The tech niche is booming and every single tech product needs semiconductors. There are a lot of semiconductor companies around the world, but they're all trying to produce as much as they can, and it's not enough for everyone. Infineon Technology said that companies like NIO and Tesla actually have to find the way to build their cars without their semiconductor products because it's so difficult and they need a lot of semiconductor chips. And this is a big problem for all tech industry. The Infineon Technology grew almost 85% in 2020 and it gained more than 15% in 2021. And as we all know, if there is a huge demand and not enough supply, stock is always going up. And right now Infineon Technology is trading around $42 per share, but unfortunately it's an OTC stock, over the counter stock. It doesn't really mean anything, but the OTC stocks are not tradable on some platforms like WeBull, but you can buy it on Robinhood, which is a weird thing, right? Technically on WeBull, usually you're allowed to buy more things than on Robinhood, but Infineon technology actually replaced Nokia in one of the most popular index funds in Europe. The company itself is growing pretty fast, and like I said, Corona just added up a lot of growth in 2020 and 2021. I think it will be still growth for a couple of reasons. First of all, Corona is still here. People are actually buying a lot of stuff, like a lot of laptops, phones, and PlayStation. And we all thought that actually this niche, like Apple, will be kind of hit by Corona because people don't have work, they can't afford new phones and other, but it's actually in another way. Everybody's buying more, everybody's buying TVs, everybody's buying PlayStations to play because you sit at home, what else are you gonna do? And EV market is booming as well, Neo, Tesla and other competitors, everybody needs semiconductors. This is why Infineon technology is actually at the really good spot. They've been on the market since 1999, and I feel like 2020 and 2021 will be great for them. If they can actually keep up with demand, they can grow to some crazy amounts. Right now it's at $42, it's only $50 billion market capitalization, and it technically it gained almost 100%, so it gained almost 25 billion in market capitalization in less than a year. And as we can see, the 2021 with Neos actually growing fast, Tesla is growing fast as well. All Europe is about to switch to electric vehicle by 2025, and a lot of states in the United States said that they're going to switch to electric vehicle into 2030 to 2035. What I'm trying to say is that semiconductor market is a huge market, and you definitely can see the potential to grow. And as we all know, Germany has a really good quality. German companies has a really good weight in the world. So I definitely think that Infineon technology will be a good choice if you're trying to enter semiconductor niche. But at the same time, there are a lot of other companies. But I do think that Neo and Tesla will drive this stock even higher. So if you're looking at it right now, it's a good time to buy, in my opinion, but I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to me. Don't put your money at risk without double checking and Googling. You have to double check where you put your money. But like I said, Infineon technology is actually producing semiconductors for a wide range of cars, wide range of laptops. They're producing the chips for credit cards. So this company producing semiconductors for every single niche that use electricity is pretty much. And as we understand, it will definitely grow year over year, and on a long term, this is a really good investing. 85% in 2020, it's a great number, and already 15% in 2 months of 2021. And I definitely can see it gaining at least another 25 to 30% in 2021. But at the same time, you guys should realize that there are other companies that are producing semiconductors too. So maybe at this point, there are better deals right there. The companies with less market capitalization, with new deals. So just double check before you invest in this particular company. And like I said, just click that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you soon. Take care.